Hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to make a video for you today sharing with you a phrase that I found in the dog niche. And I really like this niche, one, because it's low in competition, but because it's in the dog niche. And if you've been on merch for a while, you know that cracking the dog niche can be pretty tough because there's just so much competition. But if you can, crack it, it can be very lucrative, very profitable, and you can make a lot of money. And so the phrase is, in my darkest hour, when I needed a hand, I found a paw. You're going to see that there's a little competition, only 234 results on Amazon. And when we look at some of the top selling designs, we're going to see that this one was just uploaded a couple weeks ago, July 23rd, 2022. This one about a week ago, August 2nd, 2022. And this one was also uploaded a couple weeks ago on July 25th, 2022. And we're going to see that they already have BSR, so they're already selling. So, this could be a really good opportunity for us. When we take a look to see if it is trademarked, we go to test, type in the phrase, hit enter. We're going to see that nothing has popped up, so it looks good. And when we go to Etsy, we're going to see that there's barely any competition, only 8 results for this phrase. When we go to Redbubble, we're also going to see that, let me get rid of this. We're going to also see that there's only 171 results, or there's also a lot of low competition, 171 results. And TeePublic is pretty much the same thing. It doesn't tell us how many results, but we can just go down to look at the pages, and we can see that there's only one page, so that's good. And this design can also be scaled up. You can kind of see an example of it right here. So what this person is doing is they're using this design, but they're just switching out with different type of dog breeds. So with a pit bull, bulldog, German shepherd, golden lab, etc. So that's one way where you can actually scale this design by just using all the different type of dog breeds. You can go to Vexels, for example, and you can just type in like dog, and here you're going to get some good clip art or graphics that you can use. There's an affiliate link in the description. So if you want to sign up for Vexels, you can click on the link there. But this is the niche for today. It is in my darkest hour, I reached for a hand and I found a paw. So get your designs up, scale up the designs, try and use all dog breeds. This is kind of a good idea too, where you're cross-niching it with the American flag. You see the top selling designs are like this, so try and get an American flag in there as well. Put them on all the print-on-demand sites, and hopefully you can get some sales. This could be really good because it's kind of like it's kind of like an evergreen niche, to be honest. The dog niche. So this could do well all year round, especially during Christmas, Father's Day, things like that. All right, so hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content where you get like daily niche ideas, design ideas, I almost put out videos almost every day with videos like this. So if you like this type of content, consider subscribing and click the bell. All right, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.